On the afternoon of October 14, 2023, a blaze erupted at Thana Road in Shillong. According to sources, the fire ignited at around 1 p.m., with witnesses reporting numerous explosions emanating from the structure. The access to Police Bazaar was completely closed off to traffic as fire trucks navigated the narrow lanes of Thana Road to reach the intense inferno. As of the latest update, there is no information regarding any casualties resulting from the incident. However, witnesses say that firefighters were working their way through to rescue two individuals who were trapped inside the building.
Split नहीं होने से हुआ भाई. And these buildings also they don't have gap. No. Gisa nih gisa cakep mah. Ya anu kami. Apa nah?